Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add perspective to images on Canva. So here I've already opened my Canva design and let's say I want to add something into the phone in here. So instead of you do it manually by rotating it like this and resize it to find the right perspective, you can just use this app on Canva. So what you need to do is go to apps in here and then click on a search at the top and just type in skew, and there will be the skew image pop up. You can just tap on it and the you can just click on the app, the skew image app. So by using this app, you can adjust the tilt angle of your image in Canva both horizontally and vertically. You can just tap on open. And here you need to choose the file that you want to adjust the tilt or perspective. Okay, I'm going to choose the logo first. This one, for example, you can tap on open, and in here you can adjust for the skew to match with the photo. Okay, let's try this. You can tap on add to design. If it doesn't right, you can always delete it and adjust it again to match with the perspective. Okay, you can add to design again, and that was it. So this is the final result for the skew image. And that's how you can add a perspective effect to your logo or images. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.